It's a big ass fucking army helicopter. I was walking my dog and then I saw him. Let me get a closer view. I wonder why he's here. That's fucking crazy. That thing's real low. This is going on YouTube. They're looking for somebody. They're getting up right underneath this fucker. We're on 38th Ave and Mobile Lane. This is going on YouTube right here. They're looking for somebody. They got their infrared on or something. They're just staying in one position. It's crazy. They're doing something here for some reason. Now he's going higher. He's probably taking off now. It's getting higher and higher and higher. That thing was loud as fuck right now. I don't know. You're looking for somebody.
That's the army, dog.
I know.
That's not the regular. That's the army.
That's what I'm saying. They're looking for somebody.
Nigga, that's not the sheriff. Nigga.
It's a big ass.
That's not police. That's the army, homie.
It's a big ass helicopter, huh?
Hey, you don't see the guns on? There's guns and all that on it.
Nah, I can't see that far.
No, I got the binoculars in my car.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got guns and everything.
Yeah.
The guns are right here on the side of it. Look, if you look.
Oh, they got the machine guns, huh?
Yeah, they have 50 cal. Like if you see the side right here,
Yeah.
I think it opens like that. So you can hang out, dog. And then the side one, I have a side one, so they got the 50 right there, you know what I mean? Boom.
This is crazy, you know.
Yeah.
They're probably just flying out, you know, testing it.
No, but why would it be right here hovering?
Yeah, that's true too.